Nothing sub-brand CMF is set to launch CMF Phone One in India and globally tomorrow, alongside the CMF Watch Pro 2 and CMF Buds Pro 2. The smartphone starts at 15,000 rupees for the base variant. This is the first look at CMF Phone One, and it comes in 4 colors. The orange and blue colors will have a vegan leather back, whereas the black and green will have a textured plastic back. You can replace your CMF Phone One back with any other back cover. The CMF Phone One will feature a dual rear camera setup. The official teaser shared by the brand confirms a Sony 50-megapixel main camera with an f1.8 lens. It includes a 2x in-sensor zoom and a secondary portrait sensor. The phone features a 6.67-inch AMOLED display with a center-aligned punch-hole cutout. It offers an FHD Plus resolution, a 120Hz refresh rate, a peak brightness of 2000 nits, and HDR10 Plus support, with an in-display fingerprint sensor. The handset is powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7300S chipset, paired with up to 8GB of RAM and an additional 8GB of virtual RAM. It comes with 128GB of storage, but the base model sports just 6GB. It includes a microSD card slot for expandable storage and runs on Android 14 with 3 years of security patches and 2 years of OS upgrades. The phone is equipped with a 5,000 mAh battery with support for 33-watt fast wired charging. The CMF Phone One is tipped to be priced at 15,999 rupees for the base 6GB plus 128GB storage variant. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.